Hello.
Yeah, hi again.
Hi. Thank you so much for doing this so late at night.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so on the Hostinger, let me share my screen so that you can see.
Okay.
Sorry. So here, if you buy any of the packets from here, uh, they are uh, WordPress supported, and here when you will buy, you will get a free domain.
Okay.
Okay, so after buying, if you don't want to use any others domain, like don't want to make new domain, if you want to transfer from that site, then you can do. Let me show you.
What do you think will be the best for like SEO and the easiest to navigate?
uh okay, good question. Actually, about the SEO, we have to work manually. I mean, we need someone SEO expert, but you can select a domain what is not, I mean, very rare, that is not much available on online. So it will be you will get, if you find something like that, then you will get good SEO. I mean, rare name is help to SEO much than others. Okay, here is the option get a new domain uh, and to transfer. Yeah, move another account. No, actually, I forgot. 1 second. Sorry.
So I kind of want to get a domain that's going to have something to do with the store, correct? Like health and happiness.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can. Let me search.
Bless you.
Also, yeah. Domain. I also suggest. I'm so sorry.
No.
I also suggest find a shorter domain so that
Yeah,
people can, yeah,
that's a
easily.
good idea.
Yes. Let's search domain here. Like, help. You
Health,
can use. Sure. Is on right?
health and happiness. HEALTH. Health. HEA, not
Oh,
health.
okay.
HEA. Bless you.
Yeah, actually.
T is in Tom.
1 second. Yeah, little bit sick actually.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Help and
No, health. Health. HEALTH.
oh, health
Health and happiness. That's the
is a.
INESS.
It's annoying.
Bless you. You got a little bug. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You need to
Okay.
go to bed. Drink some water and go to bed.
No problem. No problem. This is okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's search. I don't think it's available. Oh, yeah, it's available. Oh, it's dot .health, not dot .com. Dot .com is premium. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Uh, you can go for if it's health related.
Whoa, $24,000. That's crazy. How about
Yeah.
health and ha well, I already have health and happiness. Um, wow.
Mm,
Health and happiness.
happiness dot you can EU if you not you.
Oh, wow.
Let's remove and if we
Well, how
use
about Health and Happiness Marketplace?
happiness marketplace.
Oh, would
It's
that
bigger but good.
20, 12,000? That's crazy. Does that mean a lot of people search that then? That's interesting.
Yeah, yeah. Market.
M
Only
A
market or
M
marketplace.
M M A.
Oh, sorry. MAR.
Ah, Health
Yeah,
and happinessmarket.com. A long
yeah.
one though.
Yeah, it's a long.
What about Health Market? No, it has to be no, because I need happiness in there too. That's an interesting Health Market.
Okay, health
How about
is
Health and Happiness Depot?
what?
Health and Happiness Depot.
Yeah, you can go with this, but here one is underline.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
that's H. Yeah.
oh,
You got to go to bed. You're not feeling well. Health, happiness.
oh, it's taken.
How about Health and Happiness Depot?
One sec.
DEPO. It's like a store. 'Cause that's what it
Uh,
is.
and happiness. Depot.
POT.
POT depot. Okay. Yeah, this is available.
Think that would work?
Yeah, I think.
Or Mark, it's either Health and Happiness Depot or because I call it the Love Link Depot. So we're linking products to so that my whole theme is linking people to either services, health and happiness services, or health and happiness products.
Yeah, so here you have to SEO via products, not actual domain name.
Mhm.
Like you can use some tags like help and happiness. If they search, then the product what is related with the name, that product will be appear.
What about store, health and happiness store?
Yeah, help and I mean dot store. Yeah, that's also good. And then happiness dot shop or store shop.
Oh,
Yeah, shop is taken.
what about
Store.
shop health and happiness?
Yeah, shop help and happiness. Yes, shop is health ACL. Sorry, health and happiness.com. Yes, this is available.
That would probably we think that would be good for SEO.
I think.
Yes. Or
I think actually I'm not much good in SEO.
okay.
I have a teammate. I have to ask him. Wait, let me message him. Is available still now?
Kind of late there. He's probably sleeping, like you should be doing.
No, actually, I have a good team. I'm starting a new agency.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
So you have a guy that just does SEO stuff?
I have all the graphics, SEO, web app.
Ah, well, maybe I'll have to talk to him about my SEO for this.
Yeah, we could help you for all. Let me show you my 1 second. Uh, this is me actually. It's me means here is still working. Not done yet. Lot of thing left to do.
Oh,
Okay, so will you buy domain today or when?
yeah, I could do that. Yeah. So I should probably look and see. Yeah,
Yeah,
if I can figure out which one, I'll buy it today. So we provide web design. Oh, that's you? Okay. Very cute. Nice.
yeah. Thank you. This is. We have more team member. We didn't add yet.
How do you say that? Naxzer?
Yeah,
How do you,
Naxzer.
Naxzer?
Yes.
Very nice.
So you will go with this domain shop hell.
And happiness?
Yes, shop. Uh, I think. Wait, let me search.
Oops, I lost you. Where'd you go?
If we dot store.
Hmm, that's
Uh,
amazing that happiness is that much money. That's actually good though.
you can also select dot store
Oh, okay.
health and happiness or happiness and health.com. Oh, this is also pretty.
14,000. That's just crazy. But that actually makes me feel good that I got something going here.
Yeah.
Um, so I think ha health and happiness dot store is
Yeah.
probably good.
Dot shop is better than store, I think. Let me
Okay.
try.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is they have happiness and health.
All right. Yeah, so I'll get that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that sounds good. Don't you think that sounds good?
Yeah, I think sounds good. But later, if you don't like, you can buy new domain. It's very
Yeah.
cheaper price here.
Yeah. All right. But I like that health and happiness shop
Mhm.
because it's got all those words in it. All
Yeah.
right.
So yeah, then let's buy it and start the work.
Okay. I will I'll do that right now.
Okay.
And
Can
as
you
soon as
can you share your screen so that I could guide you?
I can do it now. Okay, let me get my credit card. Let me get my credit card because it's gonna
Okay.
ask me my card. Hold on.
Sure.
Yeah, so if you do get credit if I click on this, is that what's happening?
I given you a link on Zoom chat box. Can you please open it? Will you please share the screen?
Okay. Let me see.